मैं हूँ. Please don't forget me, guys. All prelims have given me is stress, dark circles, pimples, and failure. I do not know what to give to boys. मतलब क्या ही दे लड़कों को क्या ही गिफ्ट दे. भरत is the ultimate rage baiter. He wrote Vaseline. Bro writes mini tub of Vaseline. Vaseline. Girls crashing out over the Vaseline. How to deal with FOMO from not having a relationship in December. I actually took a Vaseline for him. Guys, अगर हमारा फ्रेंड ग्रुप इन्वॉल्व हो और कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना हो, ऐसा कभी हो सकता है. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. मैं ये वीडियो सिर्फ एक ही रीजन के लिए बना रही हूँ, टू रिमाइंड यू गाइज कि मैं हूँ. प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट मी गाइज, मैं अभी भी हूँ. पिछले 2 वीक से मेरे प्रीलिम्स चल रहे हैं एंड लेट्स जस्ट से दैट ऑल प्रीलिम्स हैव गिवन मी इज स्ट्रेस, डार्क सर्कल्स, पिंपल्स एंड फेलियर. आई थॉट कि ओ माई गॉड प्रीलिम्स है पर यूट्यूब की कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं रुकनी चाहिए, बिकॉज आई वॉज बीइंग कंसिस्टेंट. ओके, आई पोस्टेड 2 videos consistently and that's a very big thing for me. And I was like, let me just vlog prelims, let me show you guys my experience. All of us, me and all of my friends, we looked like zombies who were so stressed कि हमने कुछ नहीं किया है. एक रात पहले 20 चैप्टर कर रहे हैं. ओ माई गॉड, इट वॉज ऑल सच अ फ्रिकिंग मेस. ये पूरे 2 वीक में मैंने मेरी मॉम डैड को यही कन्विंस कर दिया है कि प्रीलिम्स के मार्क्स है कहाँ मैटर करते हैं, मैं बोर्ड्स में अपने आप को प्रूव कर लूंगी. वो भी मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा क्वेश्चनेबल लग रहा है एट दिस पॉइंट. तो बेसिकली हमें प्रीलिम्स में सिर्फ एक दिन की छुट्टी थी, राइट. वी हैड मिड टर्म्स इन आर हाई स्कूल एंड उसमें भी हर एक सब्जेक्ट के बीच में 4-5 दिन का गैप था. इसमें तो 1 दिन का गैप था. लाइक हाउ आर वी सपोज्ड टू डू इट इन वन फ्रिकिंग डे. बट मी एंड माई फ्रेंड्स हैड एन अमेजिंग आइडिया कि सिंस सबका कुछ नहीं हुआ है, सबको मोटिवेशन की जरूरत है, ये 1 दिन की छुट्टी में लेट्स कम टू वन पर्सन हाउस एंड स्टडी. यू ऑलरेडी नो हाउ दैट वेंट. मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. पढ़ाई के सिवा हमने डोमिनोज खाया, मूवी देखे, सब कुछ किया, पर पढ़ाई नहीं किया. फिर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ऑल नाइटर्स हेल्प्ड अस. बट ऑल नाइटर करने के चक्कर में इतने डार्क सर्कल जगह, इतने पिंपल जाके कि हे भगवान भी मुझे नहीं बचा सकता. एनीवेज, उसके बीच में YouTube Wrapped came out. I didn't even know that was a thing, but a lot of you like sent me like screenshots of your YouTube Wrapped and like it had my channel in it. And guys, that genuinely I was so freaking happy. Like I genuinely needed that, and I was so freaking shocked. And I was like, what have I done to like deserve this? Like the amount of love you guys give me, I genuinely love all of you for that, and thank you so much for that. Anyways, prelims are over and Christmas season has started. So, with Christmas season comes Secret Santa, जो मेरा ग्रुप 10 दिन पहले कर रहा है क्रिसमस के, बिकॉज किसी के भी डेट्स अलाइन ही नहीं हो रहे, किसी के पेरेंट्स की परमिशन नहीं मिल रही, किसी को आना ही नहीं है. तो we have our Secret Santa tomorrow, which is the 15th, and today is the 14th, and I'm currently going out with Rabia to get a gift. Now, मेरे सीक्रेट सेंटा में नाम किसका आना था? I love giving gifts to girls because like it's so easy to give gifts to girls. But भगवान ने किसका नाम दिया? भरत. I do not know what to give to boys. मतलब क्या ही दे लड़कों को, क्या ही गिफ्ट दे. प्लीज राइट इन द कमेंट्स कि मुझे आगे पता चले कि मैं लड़कों को क्या गिफ्ट दूं. तो एनीवेज, किसी को भी समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि किसी को क्या गिफ्ट चाहिए. तो बेसिकली वी मेड अ विश लिस्ट. एवरीवन रोट अपने नाम के बाजू में what gift they desired. Guess what Bharat wrote? I swear guys, when I tell you, Bharat is the ultimate rage baiter. He wrote Vaseline. Bro writes mini tub of Vaseline. Vaseline तो तुझे सीक्रेट सेंटा में. भाई मेरा तो दिमाग ही खराब हो गया. I was like, भरत मैं तो भरत को बता भी नहीं सकती ना कि भाई मैं तेरी सीक्रेट सेंटा हूँ. कुछ तो बोल दे भाई. I really wish I either got Rabia, Shriya or Sani, because it would have been so freaking easy to give them a gift. But anyways, come with me to find a gift for a boy named Bharat who wants nothing but a Vaseline. Guys, I thought about it and I'm happy I got Bharat यार. ये bipolarity पता नहीं कहाँ से आ जाती है मेरे अंदर. But hear me out, okay? I mean, you guys did hear me out in the previous video. But anyways, I have some ideas that I want to get for Bharat. It includes like getting a kada, a wallet, probably like chocolates. No, protein bars. I think he's more of protein bars kind of guy. And guys ना बहुत ऐसा, at least हमारे group में, you know, guys are very low maintenance, right? उनको हम कुछ भी दे, they'll be more than freaking happy, which is what I like about the guys in our group. Like every single one of them is like every single guy friend that I have, you know, they are very low maintenance. They're like very happy with like whatever they give, like whatever we give to them. And yeah, let's go guys. Hi guys. मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था कि मैं ये वीडियो बना रही टू रिमाइंड यू कि मैं हूँ. ये भी है गाइस, कुछ नहीं हुआ है, कोई ट्रक के नीचे नहीं आई है, कुछ नहीं हुआ है इसको, कुछ नहीं. हाउ आर योर प्रीलिम्स?
Let's not talk about it. It went.
I was genuinely talking to them about how we look like zombies during the prelims, which was not vloggable.
Oh my god, I almost looked like I didn't sleep for like
Same.
eternity.
I think all we did was sleep for like 3 hours or something.
Bro, yeah, like मेरा sleep schedule यही हो गया था, 3 घंटे के लिए सोना, उठना, एग्जाम देना, एग्जाम के बाद आके सोना, उठना, पढ़ना, सोना. That's all I was doing.
और भाई हमने वैसे भी कुछ पढ़ा नहीं था, ठीक है, प्रीलिम्स के लिए. तो मैंने बोला कि एक दिन की छुट्टी मिली, हमारी प्रीलिम्स खत्म हो गए, हम गए खाने, फिर घर आके सो गए. I think we are lucky, God's children.
No, we're not God's children, but that was so nice.
We are God's children. इसीलिए
इधर
इधर
से शॉर्टकट है.
क्या?
हाँ. You need to roam around more with me, Devika, to know this place better.
और किसके साथ घूमती हूँ मैं, तो बस उतना बता दे मुझे भाई. छूतिया. और किसके साथ घूमती हूँ मैं? तो हम प्रीलिम्स के बाद खाने के लिए गए, यही सब किया हमने पूरा प्रीलिम्स. प्रीलिम्स के मार्क्स मैटर नहीं करते हैं.
Yeah.
गाइस, द साइडवॉक रूल.
अरे तू आ जाएगी गाड़ी के नीचे.
तू
तेरी
किसकी
माँ
secret
मुझे-
Santa है?
मैं
हाँ.
श्रेया.
मैं भरत के, I was crashing out over the Vaseline. You guys, we went to West Side. Now we're in Trends. West Side में मुझे बस अपने लिए एक चेन अच्छी लगी, इसको अपनी और अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड के लिए एक चेन अच्छी लगी, और श्रेया के लिए एक सेट ऑफ इयररिंग्स अच्छे लगे. एंड West Side में भी asked if there's like anything like gift worthy for like men.
Nothing.
Mm-mm.
Only perfumes. And भरत
And-
जिस
Yeah.
हिसाब से अमीर के बाप
Yeah, अमीर बाप का बिगड़ा हुआ औलाद.
उसको खाली लग्जरी परफ्यूम्स पसंद
Yeah.
है.
For some reason, every guy that comes into my life just loves luxury perfumes. So I was like,
reason people I don't put
don't put perfume. So I was like, भरत को मैं West Side का परफ्यूम दूंगी तो even though he'll be very happy, won't apply it at all. Then I know it. So Rabia had an idea of like getting him a hoodie or a shirt because that's our last option.
मैं बोलती हूँ कच्चा दे दे जॉकी का, वैसे में महंगा आता है कच्चा.
Real, right? Real. Anyways, we're going to Zudio now to check for more jewelry options for Shreya and ourselves. But yeah. So guys, we are in Zudio and I like this lipstick, so I got it. And Rabia finally found like the pieces for Shreya. We'll show it to you.
This?
So nice, I like it. You guys, we were recording in Zudio and apparently
Someone told us we can't.
can't record. Apparently आप लोग Zudio में record नहीं कर सकते. Anyways, we found amazing jewelry
मैं
pieces
कौन
in
सा भाई
Zudio.
कॉपी कर लूंगी तुम्हारे इसको.
हाँ ना भाई, Zudio is already
अरे तो तुम्हारे स्टोर से लोग चुरा के लेके जाते हैं, उनको बोला ना. मुझे क्या बोल रहे हो?
real. Shoplifting in Zudio is very easy.
है ना, कोई देखता भी
कोई
नहीं था, वो
देखेगा
कभी
भी
नहीं
नहीं.
था.
Exactly. Anyways, we found some amazing jewelry pieces in Zudio. We are done with Shreya's gift.
नहीं
दिख
दिखा
तो रहा है नहीं. And we got like bracelets, claw clips, nail polish, and a mini perfume. And Shreya's gift is done. भरत का कुछ नहीं हुआ है. मैंने Zudio से अपने आप के लिए एक लिपस्टिक खरीदी, पर भरत के लिए अब तक कुछ नहीं मिला है. And I'm getting hungry also.
Wanna eat something?
Do you want to?
Let's eat.
Okay. But let's find stuff for him first because I'll be stressed. Guys, we're leaving the mall. Shreya का गिफ्ट सिक्योर हो चुका है, but भरत the fucking Vaseline kid, कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. मुझे genuinely लग रहा है मुझे उसको Vaseline ही देना पड़ेगा.
नहीं
ऑप्शन नहीं है भाई मेरे पास.
We'll help you out.
Now we're going to like pop-up stores near
Lodamara.
and hopefully
If you
we.
don't get there something there, then
I'm just gonna kill myself.
it's dead.
Just gonna kill myself. Where do you get kada? Guys, can you please comment down on where you get like good kadas because I don't know. A friend of mine told me stationery shop में मिलेगा.
What?
I was like, what?
क्या बकवास कर रही हो? क्या बकवास कर रही हो?
Guys,
Devika is just so fucking crazy. एक अंकल की शॉपिंग की सोते हम जहाँ पे टी शर्ट थे and she I asked the price to the uncle and वो बोलते हैं 1899 and Devika keeps the t-shirt and she's like मुझे ही बेच दो यार and then uncle starts fucking laughing at us bro.
you guys, एक तो
Honestly, it's Bharat's
budget,
problem.
yeah, एक तो the budget is 500 to 700. I don't know what will I get उसमें, and we've been to so many places. We've been to that pop-up store, nothing, nada, we found nothing. And Bharat, तेरा इल्ले ही होने वाला है भाई, देख ले, all the best. As we're going to like shops and we're asking कि लड़कों के लिए कुछ है कि नहीं, और वो आंटी ऐसे देख रहे कि भाई किसके लिए बाय कर रहे हो आंटी, आपको पता होता हमारे लाइफ के बारे में.
If only you knew. If you knew, then you would know that
would
हम
never.
आसपास भी नहीं पटाते.
मर्द का चक्कर मौत से टक्कर गाइस, प्लीज रिमेम्बर दैट.
मौत से भी नहीं यार, खुद से ही टक्कर.
हाँ ना भाई. एक तो someone DM'd me कि how to deal with FOMO from not having a relationship in December. हमें
Be
भी थोड़ा
happy.
टिप्स दे दो भाई.
Be happy that you are not.
Genuinely guys, क्योंकि कुछ relationships, number one, the people who
पैसे
like,
जाएंगे बिना मतलब का भाई. Christmas gift.
हाँ ना भाई, the people who
Not worth it.
yeah, the people who like show off their relationships, nothing is picture perfect guys. Literally nothing is picture perfect.
Especially जब
मेरे ऊपर ही ढोल बजा दो भाई. Oh, मेरे ऊपर ही ढोल बजा दो. Especially when people are like young, they're 16, 17, they're showcasing their relationships like nothing's fucking real. I think you should hold the phone because you're the tall one, Rabia. Nothing's real. So guys, खुश रहो. Genuinely, be happy. Dress up like your best self. Go out, have fun. Go with friends. मजे करो.
Yeah.
We are not getting anything. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. Apparently we were gonna get him a wallet. We found out he already has a wallet. We are now on call with Bharat's best friend Vedant, and he also doesn't know what we can get for Bharat. And I am genuinely losing my shit. I'm genuinely crashing out. इधर Hot Wheels भी ढंग के नहीं है भाई. And वही तो, and we were thinking of giving him a Messi का ये because he likes Messi. वो उसकी ex girlfriend ने उसको already दे दिया है guys. Guys, this is what Vedant recommended us. क्या है भाई ये, मैं क्या करूँ, बर्बाद हो जाऊंगी मैं ऐसे. Guys, you know how I said in the starting वाला video कि लड़कों के लिए कुछ नहीं buy कर सकते. That saying is so true. Because what do I get?
Just Bharat bro, it's not लड़के.
It's just Bharat. Bharat is in the separate category of ladke at this point. Guys, we ended up in a medical and I actually took a Vaseline for him.
Bruh.
And I am giving him.
R1 once again.
क्या ही मिलेगा
West side में
उधर?
देखना है.
बिक गए थे हम वेस्ट साइड में तो जाके. Guys, एक तो मैंने वैसलीन लिया, ठीक है. उसके बाद I got 2 protein bars for him because he seems like the protein bar kind of guy. I don't give a shit if he eats it or not. Genuinely.
मैं अपने स्टेशनरी में एक बार घर जाके चेक करती हूँ अगर कुछ है तो नहीं.
हाँ, ठीक है.
को वीडियो कॉल करती हूँ, तुझे कुछ लेना.
Now we're just gonna
Just gonna roam
eat
around.
something and roam around.
Yeah.
And I think we'll catch you guys up when we get ready tomorrow. Hi guys, I am back home. Please don't mind this handwriting of mine. Anyways, this was such a waste of my day because all I got was Vaseline and some protein bars and I don't even know. But one good thing that happened was I got this lipstick from Zudio and I love it. I love the shade. I love everything about it. So yeah, one good thing that happened. Anyways, I contacted Shlok, who is one of Bharat's friends as well, and he told me that Bharat likes rings. So I'll probably go out of the house tomorrow morning before our Secret Santa to, you know, search for rings, getting some good rings. And I also know he likes cinnamon roll from like the Third Wave coffee. So I'll probably pack that if I like don't get rings or a kada. So anyways, Bharat, I know you're watching this. Literally next time next time, please specify on what you want. You're literally rage baiting me, and you're not even here, and you're rage baiting me. Guys, अगर हमारा फ्रेंड ग्रुप इन्वॉल्व हो और कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना हो, ऐसा कभी हो सकता है. So apparently we encountered one more major freaking problem. It is currently 2:15 in the morning and I was editing this video when I get a call from Raghav. So basically, after I was crashing out over what to get Bharat, I had to ask help from someone, and I did ask help from two of Bharat's friends, but I also asked help from Raghav because tomorrow tomorrow morning Rabia has to do something, so she's in there. So I was planning on going with Raghav so he can choose whatever Bharat wants. And Raghav basically texts me at like 1 o'clock that Akshat, who you guys might know, I mean, you've seen him in vlogs, he's Sanvi's boyfriend, he also got Bharat's name. And I was like, what? And it's just ek din away. Like, today is the day we do the Secret Santa, and the fact that two people think that they got the same name means that one person in the group might not get a gift, and that is just not gonna end well. So I have the chit Bharat ke naam ka with me, so I was like, I have the chit, like obviously I got the name, but he also bought something for Bharat. He got a wallet for Bharat. So we were like on a call for like an hour discussing about what are the possibilities and what we can do. So initially हम सबको reveal करना पड़ा कि हमें किस किस का नाम आया है, just to figure out ki who is the one person who won't be getting a gift. And it turns out that Pranjal, a friend of ours, wasn't gonna get a gift because me and Akshat got it for Bharat and Baki sab got it for the rest of us. So I was planning on getting something else for Bharat tomorrow, but then I was like, if Pranjal is not getting, I might as well get it for Pranjal because I only got a Vaseline and a protein bar and protein bars for Bharat. And I mean, it'll make no sense if one person doesn't get anything. And I think Pranjal was the most excited out of all of us for the Secret Santa. So, yeah. So, I think I'm going to vlog tomorrow morning as well. Tomorrow morning, I'll probably either Raghav will go out and like video call me about the gifts and everything, or I'll have to go out and figure it out. But yeah, this was a mess. I was genuinely crashing out because basically Pranjal in his wish list he wrote exactly what he wants. Unlike Bharat, so I was like, you know what? I'll be very happy. You know, he knows what he wants. It's fine. Let me just get it for him. But yeah, that's it. It's 2:15 and I'm already crashing out over all of this. So I'm just gonna go sleep. I'm gonna wake up early in the morning, get fresh and go out and get gifts. I was also planning that for the Secret Santa vlog, I'm gonna do another vlog because this vlog is already like 10-12 minutes long enough because I've edited it. So yeah, I'll probably include tomorrow morning's footage as well, but I'll vlog the Secret Santa separately. Anyways, yeah, that was a little bit of a misunderstanding. And then I was talking to my friends, I was crashing out, and my mom was like, "Why aren't you asleep yet? Your dad bhi pad gayi thodi." But anyways, good night, guys. We're gonna wake up and get a gift. You guys, I successfully secured the gift for Pranjal. I got leather bands and we got a perfume because we couldn't find a tea that he liked. And yeah, so I am ready for Secret Santa. This is just a little sneak peek because Secret Santa is gonna come in the next video. This is just a sneak peek of my makeup. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching this, guys. मैं कहीं नहीं गई हूँ, मैं हूँ. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.